Hey guys, I'm Forrest Smith with RoofGooseVent.
I'm Peter Medeiros from Precision Air Testing and Balancing.
On my right, we have our manufactured solution to a roof termination, and on my left, we have an example of a field fabricated termination.
So today we'll be demonstrating the difference in static pressure, CFM, and the flow hood readings based off the termination that is installed, and we'll also be using the short range multimeter and the evergreen system as well.
In today's video, we'll be testing a Panasonic 80-110 exhaust fan. The next step is going to be getting a baseline static pressure for our duct run connected to this fan.
We'll demonstrate how the typical air balancer reads a bathroom exhaust fan with the air capture hood. Snap this up there, give it a couple of seconds for the CFM to start registering. And about 86, 85 CFM, which is pretty typical for a system like this. And from here, we'll take our baseline static pressure reading with our short range multimeter. Insert our static probe, take a reading.
Now that we've established our overall system static pressure for a baseline, we're going to start adding some traditionally field fabricated roof terminations. This is a 90 with a sidewall vent connected to the end. Now that we've connected our traditionally field fabricated termination, we're going to check in with Pete and see what our overall system static pressure is now.
0.26.
Now we're going to move on to testing a slightly different field fabricated solution. This is a double 90 with a bug cap and a butterfly damper inserted in the middle. Now that we've changed out our roof termination, we're going to check in with Pete and see what our overall system static pressure is now.
We're at about 0.36.
Now we have a different manufactured solution for low slope roofs. This is one of our competitors.
Now we'll take our reading with this termination. We have 0.28.
Now we're going to test our manufactured solution, the RG4IE. Now that we've changed out our vent termination to the RG4IE, we're going to check in with Pete and see what our overall system static pressure is now.
And we're at 0.23.
After testing some traditionally field fabricated solutions and some other manufactured solutions, we found that our RG4 manufactured solution is superior not just in aesthetics and durability, but also in performance. I'm going to pass it along to Pete to run through some of the numbers and what he experienced today.
So after all of our testing today, my conclusion is the RG4 outperforms all other field fabricated solutions.
Thank you for watching our performance testing video today of the Panasonic 50-80-110 exhaust fan. If you have any questions about our product line, feel free to visit RoofGooseVent.com. And if there's any questions our website can't answer for you, feel free to reach out to us directly at sales@RoofGooseVent.com.